So consider this given problem statement. If x belongs to the set of positive real number such that this particular equation is satisfied, then the greatest integer not exceeding x is equal to what? So we need to solve this one. Now, first of all, we'll jot down this given equation. So I'll just copy this equation and put it over here, right? So this is equal to 13. So this is my equation, that is 4 log x base 10, then 4 times log x base 100, and then 8 times log x base 1000. Now going to the next step. So if you observe here, we can use a property, something called, if I have something like this, let us say log argument m and base n. So we can take a intermediate base and can split this into numerator and denominator. So this one can be written as log some intermediate base a such that the log quantity remains defined, log m base a, and we can write here log base a, and here we can write n. So this is the property which we are going to use, right? So I'll just make it little smaller maybe, right? So now this one will write this one as 4 times. I'll just copy this equation, and here instead of this I'll apply this property, that is log base 10. I'll take intermediate base as 10, and in this case I'll write x, and here for the denominator this will be 10. So in this case my a is 10 and the argument m is x here, and in this case the base 10, that is n, right? Now similarly I can write this factor as well. So here log x base 10 on the numerator, and the denominator will be log base 10 and argument is 100. Similarly for this 1000 I can write log x base 10, and this one can be written as 1000. Now proceeding towards the next step. Now in this step I'll just compute this logarithmic values. So log 10 base 10, this is 1. After that this 100 can be written as 10 square, and log argument 10 square base 10, this will be 2, and this 1000 is 10 cube, so this will be 10 to the power 3, so this will be 3. Now on resolving this further, so we can clearly observe that log x base 10 can be taken as a common quantity, right? So log x base 10 is the common quantity, and this one can be written as 4 plus 2 plus 8 by 3, and this is equal to 13. Now on resolving this further, so this turns out to be 26 by 3. So in this argument, this one we can write this one as 26 by 3, 26 by 3. And on resolving this further we'll get log x base 10 as equal to 3 by 2. Now from this we can clearly observe, so this one I'll convert this into exponential form, that is x will be equal to 10 to the power 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 10 cube, that is 1000, and square root of 1000 will be 31 point something. So now 31 point something. Now the problem statement is asking that the greatest integer not exceeding x. So finally I'll conclude towards my answer, that is the greatest integer not exceeding x, this will be equal to 31. So therefore for this problem statement 31 is the answer. So I hope it is clear to everyone.